वो कर रही है, आप तुलसी को थोड़ा खड़ा कर दीजिए। आइए। नमो नमो तुलसी कृष्ण प्रेयसी, नमो नमो तुलसी। राधा कृष्ण सेवा पाबो এই অভিলাষী, রাধা কৃষ্ণ সেবা পাবো নমো নমো তুলসী কৃষ্ণ প্রেয়সী, নমো নমো তুলসী। যে তোমার শরণ লয় তার বাঞ্ছা পূর্ণ হয়, যে তোমার কৃপা করি কর তারে বৃন্দাবনবাসী, কৃপা করি কর তারে নমো নমো তুলসী কৃষ্ণ প্রেয়সী, নমো নমো তুলসী। মোর এই অভিলাষ বিলাস মুঝে দিও বা, মোর নয়নেরি সদা যুগল রূপরাশি, নয়নেরি সদা নমো নমো তুলসী কৃষ্ণ প্রেয়সী, নমো নমো তুলসী। এই নিবেদন ধর সখীর অনুগত কর, এই নিবেদন সেবা অধিকার দিয়ে কর নিজ দাসী, সেবা নমো নমো তুলসী কৃষ্ণ প্রেয়সী, নমো নমো তুলসী, নমো নমো। দীন কৃষ্ণ দাসী কয় এই যেন মোর হয়, দীন কৃষ্ণ শ্রী রাধা গোবিন্দ প্রেমে সদা যেন ভাসি, শ্রী রাধা গোবিন্দ যেন ভাসি, নমো নমো তুলসী কৃষ্ণ প্রেয়সী, নমো নমো তুলসী কৃষ্ণ। नेक्स्ट दामोदर अष्टकम नंबर 18 होगा शायद 18। नमामि शरणं सच्चिदानन्द रूपं, लसत्कुण्डलं गोकुले व्रजमानं, যশোদা ভিয়ালু কলধা ভবানা পরমৃষ্ট মাতা তত দ্রুত গোপা রুদন্তং মুহুর্নেত্রং যুগ্মং নিজাতা করম্বোজ যুগ্মে নমিতঙ্ক নেত্রং করম সাতঙ্ক নেত্রং মুষাশুকম্প ত্রিরেখাঙ্ক কণ্ঠ नहीं लोग आज कमी है मुषाशुकम्प त्रिरेखाङ्क कण्ठ हित गैव दामोदर भक्तिपद इति दीक्षलीलाभिमानन्द कुण्डे सघोषग्निमजन्तमाखा भयोत्त तदीयसि तेषु भक्तैः तत पुनः प्रेमतस्तं सदा वृत्तिवदे वरदेव मोक्षं न मोक्षमधिग्वा न चन्नं गृह्णेऽहं परिषदप्रिय इदं देव पूर्णाथ गोपाल बाल इदं देव सदा मे मनसा विराजतां किमनय इदं ते मुखाम्बोजमतन्तनीलय इदं कुन्तलै स्निग्धरक्तैश्च गोपा मुहुसुविधं विपरक्ताधर मे मनसा विराजताम् अलं लक्षलाभय नमो देव दामोदर अनन्त विष्णु प्रसीद प्रभो दुःखजालाभिमग्न कृपा दृष्टि पृष्ठाति दीनं वदानु गृहाणि समामग्रेऽक्षीदृशा कुबेरनो बद्धभूतैव जाता तया मोचितो भक्तिभाजो कृतो च तथा प्रेम भक्ति कामे प्रयच्छ नमुखे ग्रहे दामोदरे नमस्ते अस्तु दाम्ने सुरदीपिधामे तदीयधराय थविषदामे नमो राधिकाय तदीयो प्रियाय नमो नन्दलीलाय देवाय तुभ्यं नमामि शरणं सच्चिदानन्दरूपम् लसत्कुण्डलं गोकुले व्रजमानम् ठीक है जय राधा माधव कर दे आज थोड़ा शॉर्ट कर देता हूँ इस कॉन्फ्रेंस में मीटिंग जाना है। वैसे भी अटेंडेंस बहुत कम है आज। ये नहीं है कि इतने में ज़्यादा लोग रहते हैं तो थोड़ा अच्छा लगता है। भाई इसका चलिए काल लेके इसका इवनिंग चलिए इवनिंग इसका का प्रोग्राम है
कितना बजे
फैमिली लेके 4:30 बजे निकलिए। हम लोग भी निकल रहे हैं। हम लोग हमारा गाड़ी है, आप भी अपना गाड़ी ले लीजिए। और भी कोई
मेरे साथ और कोई रहेगा?
और कोई अगर आना चाहता है तो भवानी आ सकते हैं। भवानी शायद हमारे घर में होगा नहीं। भवानी आ गया 4:30 अराउंड 4:35 o'clock।
चली गई क्या?
अच्छा तो बट वापस आएगा अराउंड 4:30 तक वापस आएगी। फैमिली ले लीजिए।
फैमिली तो शायद नहीं
हाँ नहीं तो ठीक है चलिए। और भी कोई जाना चाहता है उनकी कार में आ सकते हैं। और कोई कार में आ सकते हैं। हाँ सेकंड चल ठीक कितना सीटर है आपके गाड़ी में?
मेरा में 3-4 सीट है।
अच्छा 3 समझे आप।
4 प्लस 1 ड्राइवर।
हाँ मेरा भी ऐसे ही है। ओके ठीक ठीक जय राधा माधव जय राधा माधव कुंज बिहारी जय राधा जय राधा माधव कुंज बिहारी जय जय गोपी जन वल्लभ गिरिवरधारी जय गोपी जन वल्लभ गिरिवरधारी यशोदानंदन व्रजनरंजन जमुना तीरा बनचारी जमुना तीरा जय राधा माधव कुंज बिहारी जय राधा जय गोपी जन वल्लभ गिरिवरधारी जय गोपी जन वल्लभ गिरिवरधारी यशोदानंदन व्रजनरंजन जमुना तीरा बनचारी जमुना तीरा जय राधा माधव कुंज बिहारी जय राधा जय गोपी जन वल्लभ गिरिवरधारी जय गोपी जन वल्लभ गिरिवरधारी जय गोपी जन वल्लभ गिरिवरधारी यशोदानंदन व्रजनरंजन जमुना तीरा बनचारी जमुना तीरा बनचारी जय राधा माधव कुंज बिहारी जय राधा जय गोपी जन वल्लभ गिरिवरधारी जय यशोदानन्दन व्रजनरञ्जन यमुनातीर वनचारी यमुनातीर जय राधा माधव कुंज बिहारी जय जय राधा माधव कुंज बिहारी गोपी जन वल्लभ गिरिवरधारी जय राधा माधव कुंज बिहारी जय राधा माधव कुंज बिहारी गोपी जन वल्लभ गिरिवरधारी यशोदानन्दन व्रज जन रञ्जन यमुनातीर वनचारी यमुनातीर यशोदानन्दन व्रज जन रञ्जन यमुनातीर वनचारी जय राधा माधव कुंज बिहारी गोपी जन वल्लभ गिरिवरधारी जय राधा माधव कुंज बिहारी गोपी जन वल्लभ गिरिवरधारी जय राधा माधव कुंज बिहारी गोपी जन वल्लभ गिरिवरधारी यशोदानन्दन व्रज जन रञ्जन यमुनातीर वनचारी जय राधा माधव कुंज बिहारी गोपी जन वल्लभ गिरिवरधारी हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे 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 कृष्ण हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे 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 कृष्ण हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे 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 कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे 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 कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे 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 Krishna 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 Hare Hare, Hare Ram 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 Hare Hare. Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare, Hare Rama 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 Hare Hare, Hare Krishna. Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare, Hare Ram 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 Hare Hare. Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare, Hare Rama 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 Hare Hare, Hare Krishna Krishna. Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare, Hare Rama 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 Hare Hare, Hare Krishna. Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare, Hare Rama 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 Hare Hare, Hare Krishna Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare, Hare Rama 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 Hare Hare. Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare, Hare Rama 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 Hare Hare. Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare, Hare Rama 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 Hare Hare, Hare Krishna. Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare, Hare Rama 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 Hare Hare, Hare Krishna हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे 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 कृष्ण हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे 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 कृष्ण हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे 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 कृष्ण हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे 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 कृष्ण हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे 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 कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे 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 कृष्ण हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे 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 कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे 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 कृष्ण 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 हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे 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 कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे रिसेट दो रिसेट होने पर ब्रह्म संहिता वो पिंक कलर थ्रेड में है, देखिए पिंक कलर थ्रेड 2 पेज। देन पार्सल भी बहुत सारे कर देता है पार्सल आने के लिए नहीं पड़ेगा ये दोनों रिसाइटेशन होने के बाद ईश्वर परम अनादिरादि गोविंद सर्व कारण कारणम चिंतामणि प्रकर सद्म सुकल्प वृक्ष लक्षामृतेषु सुरभिराभिपालयन्तं लक्ष्मी सहस्र शत संभ्रम सेप्यमानं गोविन्दमादिपुरुषं तमहं भजामि वेणुं कृणन्तम् अरविन्ददलाय तक्षं बर्हावतंसम् असिताम्बुदसुन्दराङ्गं कन्दर्पकोटिकमनीयविशेषशोभं गोविन्दमादिपुरुषं तमहं भजामि आलोलचन्द्रकलशद्वनवल्लभंसि रत्नाङ्गदं प्रणयकेलिकलाभिलाषं श्यामं त्रिभङ्गललितो नियतो प्रकाशं गोविन्दमादिपुरुषं तमहं भजामि अङ्गानि यस्य सकलेन्द्रियवृत्तिमन्ति पश्यन्ति पान्ति कलयन्ति चिरं जगन्ति आनन्दचिन्मयो रसोच्चरविग्रहश्च गोविन्दम् आदिपुरुषं तमहं भजामि अद्वैतमच्युतमनादिमनन्तरूपम् आद्यं पुराणपुरुषं नवयौवनं च वेदेषु दुर्लभम् अदुर्लभम् आत्मभक्तौ गोविन्दमादिपुरुषं तमहं भजामि कोटिशतवत्सर सम्प्रगाम्य वायुरथापि मनसो मुनुपुङ्गवान शापि अस्ति यत्प्रपादशिम्नि अविचिन्त तत्ते गोविन्दमादिपुरुषं तमहं भजामि एकोऽपि असौ रचयितौ जगदण्डकोटि यच्छक्तिरस्ति जगदण्डचय शतन्त अण्डन्तरस्थ परमाणुचयन्तरस्थं गोविन्दमादिपुरुषं तमहं भजामि यद्भावभाविता धियो मनुजस्तथैव सम्प्रप्रूपो महिमा शनयानभूषा सुक्तयमेव निगमो प्रतितैः स्तुवन्ति गोविन्दमादिपुरुषं तमहं भजामि आनन्दचिन्मय सदुज्जल आनन्दचिन्मय रसात् प्रतिभाविताभिस्ताभिरेव निजरूपो तया कलाभिर् गोलोको एव निवसति अखिलात्मभूतो गोविन्दमादिपुरुषं तमहं भजामि प्रेमाञ्जनोच्छुरितभक्तिविलोचनेन सन्तो सदैव हृदयेषु विलोकयन्ति यमश्यामसुन्दरम् अचिन्त्यगुणस्वरूपं गोविन्दमादिपुरुषं तमहं भजामि रामादिमूर्तिषु कलानियमेन तिष्ठत् नानावतारान् अकुरात् भुवनेषु किन्तु कृष्णः स्वयं समभावत् परमो पुमांसो गोविन्दमादिपुरुषं तमहं भजामि यस्य प्रभा प्रभवतो जगदण्डकोटि कोटिषु अशेषु वसुधा विभूतिभिन्नं तद्ब्रह्मनिष्कलम् अनन्तमशेषभूतं गोविन्दमादिपुरुषं तमहं भजामि माया यस्य जगदण्डशतानि सूते त्रैगुण्य तद्विषय भेदाभितायमाना सत्तावलम्बी परसत्तं विशुद्धसत्तं गोविन्दमादिपुरुषं तमहं भजामि आनन्दचिन्मय रसत्मया मनोषु या प्राणिनां प्रतिफलं स्मरतम् उपेत्य लीलायितेन भुवनानि जयत यस्रं गोविन्दमादिपुरुषं तमहं भजामि गोलोक धाम्नि तले च तश्च देवी महेश हरिधामेषु तेषु तेषु ते प्रभावनिचया भीतश्च येन गोविन्दमादिपुरुषं तमहं भजामि तिथि प्रलय साधन शक्तिरेका छाएव जस्यो भुवनानि विवर्ति दुर्गा इच्छानुरूपपि जस्यो च चेष्टते स गोविन्दमादिपुरुषं तमहं भजामि क्षीरं यथा दधि विकारो विशेषयोगं सञ्जयते न हि ततः पृथगस्ति हेतो या सम्भूतमपि तथा समुपैति कार्यं गोविन्दमादिपुरुषं तमहं भजामि चिरेव दशान्तरमभ्युपेत दीपायते विवृद्धेतु समानधर्म यस्तद्रिगेव विष्णुचया विभाति गोविन्दमादिपुरुषं तमहं भजामि यत्कारणनम्बो जले भजति स्म योग निद्राम् अनन्त जगदण्डो रोमकूपम् आधारशक्तिरवलम्ब परं समूर्तिं गोविन्दमादिपुरुषं तमहं भजामि यस्यैकनिश्चेषितो कालो अथावलम्ब जीवन्ति लोमो विलोजा जगदण्डनाथ विष्णुर्महान् स एव यस्य कलाविशेषो गोविन्दमादिपुरुषं तमहं भजामि अस्मज्जतस्मा सकलेषु निजेषु तेषा श्रिय कियत् प्रकटायति अपि तत्र ब्रह्म येष जगदण्ड विधान कर्ता गोविंदमादि पुरुषं तमहं भजामि यत्पाद पल्लव युगो विनिधाय कुंभ दंदे प्रणाम समये सगनाधिराजा विघ्नान् भियन्तुम् अलमस्य जगत्रयस्य गोविंदमादि पुरुषं तमहं भजामि अग्निर्मही गगनात् अम्बु मरुद्दिशाश्च कालस्तथास्मि मनुष्याति जगत्त्रयानि यस्मात् भवन्ति विभवन्ति विशन्ति यं च गोविंदमादि पुरुषं तमहं भजामि यच्चक्षुरेश सविता सकलाग्रहाणं राजा समस्त सुरमूर्तिरशेष तेज यच्छगय प्रमति समृत कालचक्र गोविंदमादि पुरुषं तमहं भजामि धर्म अथ पाप निचया श्रुतयस्तपांसि ब्रह्मा आदि कीट पटगा भयदश्चैव तद्यत्तमाप्तो विभवो प्रभवो विभवो गोविंदमादि पुरुषं तमहं भजामि जस्तु इंद्रिगोपम अथवेन्द्र अवश कर्म बंधानुरूपम फलभजनम अतनोति कर्मा निनीतवति किंतु च भक्तिभाजम गोविंदमादि पुरुषं तमहं भजामि यत् कामो क्रोध यम क्रोधगद भीति मोह भीति गुरु गौरव भीति मापै संचिन्ततस्य सदृशं तनुम् अपि रेते गोविंदमादि पुरुषं तमहं भजामि शिव कांता कांतो परमो पुरुषो कल्पतरवो ध्रुवा भूमि चिंतामणि घनमयी तयम् अमृतं तथा गानं नाट्यं गमनपि वंशी प्रिय सखी चिदानन्दं ज्योति परमपि तत्सादमपि च शयतो शिरप्ति स्रवति श्रुतिभ्यश्चाशु महान् निमेषार्धक सा व्रजति नहि तत्रपि समाय भजे शेतद्वीपं तं तमाम यह गोलोकम इति यम विदन्तस्ते इति ब्रह्म संहिता की चैप्टर 3 भगवद गीता আর 2-3 মিনিট পরে এখন করতে পারে ঠিক আছে করতে পারে কিন্তু 2-3 মিনিট পরে वो भगवद गीता बुक ले लीजिए वो नीचे नीचे भी है इंग्लिश नीचे है ऊपर है वो दोनों हिंदी है ले लीजिए इसको हिंदी चाहिए इंग्लिश ले लीजिए नीचे से ठीक है धर्म ये रिसेटेशन खत्म करने के बाद कर सकते हैं ना खा सकते हैं ना टाइम तो है ना उतना ठीक है हाँ ठीक है ठीक वो उसको अभिमन्यु को बुक दे दीजिए अभिमन्यु बुक ले लीजिए छोटा बुक ले लिया ना हाँ ठीक है धर्म बुक दे दीजिए ठीक है चैप्टर 3 ठीक है ये रिसेटेशन करके देन के प्रसाद लेना चालू करिए अर्जुन उवाच चैप्टर 3 अर्जुन उवाच जयसी चेत् कर्मणस्ते मत बुद्धिर्जनार्दन तत्किं कर्मणि घोरे मां नियोजयसि केशव भमिश्रेणेव वाक्येन बुद्धिं मोहयसि मे तदेकं वद निश्चितं येन श्रेयम् अप्नुयाम् श्रीभगवानुवाच लोकेऽस्मिन् द्विविधा निष्ठा पुरा प्रोक्ता मया नघ ज्ञानं कर्मयोगेन योगिनं न कर्माणम् अनरम्भन् नैष्कर्मं पुरुषोऽश्नुते न च सन्नचना देवा सिद्धिं समधिगच्छति नहीं कश्चित् क्षणमपि सबको एक एक पार्सल दे दीजिए सबको एक एक एक्स्ट्रा दे दो पार्सल घर के लिए फैमिली के लिए लेके जाए नहीं कश्चित् क्षणमपि जातु तिष्ठति अकर्मकृत् कार्यते हि अवश्य कर्म सर्व प्रकृतिर्जहिर्गुणैः कर्मेन्द्रियाणि संयम्य या अस्ते मनुष्य स्मरन् इन्द्रियार्थान् विमूढात्मा मिथ्याचारः उच्यते यस्तु इंद्रियाणि मनसा नियम आरभते अर्जुन कर्मेन्द्रियै कर्मयोगम् असक्तो स विशिष्यते नियतं कुरु कर्म तं कर्म जो हि अकर्मण शरीरजत्रापि चाते न प्रसिद्धयेत् अकर्मण यज्ञर्थत् कर्मणो अन्यत्र लोकोऽयं कर्म बन्धनं तदर्थं कर्म कौन्तेय मुक्तसङ्गः समाचरन् सह यज्ञ प्रजा सृष्टा पुरा वाचा प्रजापति अनेन प्रसविष्यद्यम् एषा वस्तु इष्टकामधुक् देवन भावयतानेन नंबर 11 होगा भावयतानेन ते देवन भावयन्तु वा परस्परं भावयन्तु सेव परम अभवशता इष्टन भोगन ही वो देवा दर्शन्ते यज्ञ भाविता तैर्दत्तन्न प्रदयेभ्यो जो भुङ्क्ते स्तेनो एव च यज्ञ अर्थात कर्मणो अन्यत्र नहीं ये यज्ञ शिष्टाशिनो संतो मुच्यन्ते सर्व कर्म वंदने मुञ्जन्ते तु अगम पापा ये पचन्ति आत्मकारणत् अन्नद् भवन्ति भूतानि पर्जन्नत् अन्न संभव यज्ञद् भवन्ति पर्जन्न यज्ञ कर्म समुद्भव कर्म ब्रह्मोद्भवं विद्धि ब्रह्मक्षारं समुद्भवं तस्मात् सर्वगतो ब्रह्म नित्यं यज्ञ प्रतिष्ठितम् एवं प्रवर्तितं चक्रं ननु वर्तयन्ति हज अघायुरिन्द्रियारामो मोघं पार्थ स जीवति यस्तु आत्मरतिरेव स्यादात्मतृप्तश्च मानव आत्मन्येव च सन्तुष्टस्तस्य कार्यं न विद्यते नैव तस्यो कृतेनार्थो न कृतेनेह कश्चन न तस्यो सर्वभूतेषु कश्चित् अर्थव्यपाश्रय तस्मात् अशक्त सततं कार्यं कर्म समाचरम् अशक्त ही आचरण कर्म और एक दे सकता है और एक दायरम के लिए दे सकता है दायरम के लिए अशक्त ही आचरण कर्म परम आपनोति पुरुष कर्म नैव हि संसिद्धिम् अस्ति तो जनकादय लोको संग्रहमेवापि सम्पश्यन् कर्तुमर्हति यद्यद् आचरति श्रेष्ठस्तत् एवेतरो जन शयत् प्रमाणं कुरुते लोकस्तत् अनुवर्तते न मे पार्थस्ति कर्तव्यं त्रिषु लोकेषु किञ्चन नानावक्तम् अवक्तव्यं वर्त एव च कर्मणि यदि हम न वर्तेयं जातु कर्मन् अतन्द्रित ममो वर्तानुवर्तन्ते मनुष्य पार्थ सर्वशः उच्चिदियोर नंबर 22 या 24 उच्चिदियोर इमे लोका न कुर्यं कर्म चेदहं शंकरस्य च कर्ता सम उपहन्नम इमा प्रजा शक्त कर्माणि अविद्यांश यथा कुर्वन्ति भारत कुर्याद् विद्यां तथा शक्त चिकीर्षुर्लोको संग्रहं न बुद्धिभेदं जनायेत् अज्ञानो कर्म संगिनं जोषयेत् सर्वकर्माणि विद्यान् युक्तो समाचरन् प्रकृते क्रियमाणानि गुणकर्माणि सर्वशः अहंकारो विमूढात्मा कर्ताहम् इति मन्यते तत्त्ववित्तु महाबाहो गुणो कर्म विभागयो गुणो गुणेषु वर्तन्ते इति मत्ता न सज्जन्ते प्रकृतिर्गुण सम्मूढ सज्जन्ते गुणकर्मसु तन् अकृष्णविदमन्तन् कृष्ण भिन्ना विचालयेत् मयि सर्वाणि कर्माणि सन्न्यस्याध्यात्मचेतसा निराशीर्निर्ममो भूत्वा युद्धस्य विगतो जरा एमे मतम् इदं नित्यम् अनुतिष्ठन्ति मानव श्रद्धावन्तो अनुतिष्ठन्तो अनुसूयन्तो मुच्यन्ते तेऽपि कर्मभिः ये तु एतदभ्यसूयन्तो ननुतिष्ठन्ति मे मतं सर्वज्ञानो विमूढस्तं विद्धि नष्टन् अचेतसः सादृशं चेष्टते स प्रकृतिर्ज्ञानवानपि प्रकृतिं यान्ति भूतानि निग्रह किं करिष्यसि इन्द्रियासीन्द्रियार्थे रागदेशो व्यवस्थितौ तवि वशमगच्छेत् तवि यश्च परिपन्थिनं श्रेयो सधर्म विगुणात् परधर्म सनुष्ठित सधर्मे निधनं श्रेयो परधर्म भयावहत् इन्द्रियासीन्द्रियार्थे रागदेशो व्यवस्थितौ अर्जुन उवाच अथो ज्ञान प्रयुक्तोऽयं पापं चरति पूर्व ये नंबर कितना है 35 या 36 अर्जुन उवाच अथो ज्ञान प्रयुक्तोऽयं पापं चरति पुरुष अनिच्छमपि वर्ष्णेय बलद् इव नियोजित श्रीभगवान् उवाच कामेश क्रोधेश रजगुणसमुद्भव महाशन महापाप्मा विद्येनं इह वैरिणा धूमेन प्रियते वाणीर्यथा आदर्शमलेन च यथा उल्बेन प्रीतो गर्भस्तथा तेनेदम् आवृतं ज्ञानमेतेन ज्ञानिनो नित्यवैरिणा कामरूपेण कौन्तेय दुष्पुरेण अनलेन च इन्द्रियाणि पराणि आहुरिन्द्रियेभ्यो परं मनः मनुष्यस्तु परबुद्धिर्यः बुद्धेः परतस्तुषा एवं बुद्धे परम बुद्ध संस्थात्मानम आत्मनम जय शत्रु महाभावो काम रूपम नहीं और 41 क्या है तस्मात् इंद्रियाणि आदौ नियम महाभारतर्षभ पापमान प्रजायेन ज्ञान विज्ञान नाशनम इंद्रियाणि पराणि आहुरिन्द्रियेभ्यो परम मनः मनुष्यस्तु परा बुद्धि जो भुक्ते बुद्धे परतस्तुषा एवं बुद्धे परम बुद्ध्वा संस्तभ आत्मोनम जय शत्रु महाबाहो काम रूपम दुराशदम हरे कृष्णा कृष्ण कृष्ण हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे मुखम करति वाचलम पंगुम लंघयति गिरियति प्रथम बंदे श्रीगुरुदिनोदनं ओम गगनतिवृन्दस्य ज्ञानञ्जनशलाकया चक्षुरुन्मिलितं तस्मै श्रीगुरुवे नमः. Today we will not do any new slokas because new attendance is very less. Old whatever is there something from that you can discuss something. अभिमन्यु चैप्टर 22-23 तक श्लोका तक कुछ हो गया था, उसमें से कुछ डिस्कस करना है तो कर सकते हैं. Or any other discussion related to bhakti etc. If you want to discuss, we can discuss that. Yeah, please.
Actually, if you see, many temples got destroyed. Why they were destroyed? Because in this Mughal invasions or some invasions, many temples got destroyed. What is the reason behind?
Because devotees are not doing the devotional service properly. And whoever is doing the, mainly Krishna will protect our devotion in the heart. Whatever devotion in our heart, that he will try to protect. Temple is almost external. Temple worship is, actual worship is within the heart and in the sun. Temple is just a platform. So if our devotions are weakened, then this type of things will happen actually. And whoever is good devotion, their devotion will increase. Somehow they will try to do some service to protect that. So that way their devotion, whoever is coming and trying to protect that, so their devotion will increase. So we don't know Krishna's plan. But without Krishna's sanction, nothing is possible. That's for sure. But this is one way that our devotional services has come down. That is an indication. Second, whoever is coming for service to help that, their devotion will increase. And whoever is already devoted, their devotion will still increase. They will keep on praying to Lord. So like the priests etc., they will keep on praying. Sometimes temple worship may become sort of, what should I say? Just a regular activity, just a, what should I say, casual activity. Sometimes it can become a casual activity also. For priests also even. Just a regular activity, casual activity, like our day-to-day activity. Without devotion. It can, exactly what to tell English. Like formality, sort of formality. Sometimes it can become a sort of formality. So when this type of events happen, again their devotion will increase. They will pray very strongly. Priests will pray then very strongly. Whoever is really devoted, whoever is doing only for formality, okay, for them it is for them to do. Whoever is really good, they will pray strongly. So their devotion will increase. And ultimately it is not one birth also. It is life after life. So their devotion will increase. And when we become perfect, then we'll go back to Godhead. Before that, all these things will happen. Krishna knows really, we don't know what is this. But without his sanction, nothing is possible, that's for sure.
Sir, actually, this question was asked by Chandigarh ISKCON Temple. That Maharaj, Gopal Krishna Maharaj, he told that in Kali Yuga, Nam Sankirtan is the prime mode of
Prime mode of worship. Not the temple worship. Temple worship is a auxiliary only. Nam Sankirtan is the first one. First prime. Temple worship is secondary. Nam Sankirtan is primary for Kali Yuga.
So to make people attract towards
Nam Sankirtan,
that time
something will happen.
And temple got destroyed, so people were more devoted to Sankirtan. They became devoted to Sankirtan. And after that
Temple is required for initial beginners. Temple is required because they will get that vibration required. And if you are doing nicely along with Nam Sankirtan, that is required. Temple worship along with Nam Sankirtan, that is the best. But if temple worship without Nam Sankirtan, that is secondary compared to only Nam Sankirtan. Nam Sankirtan is the primary thing. Anyway, whatever be the situation, Krishna will protect the devotion of the person who has the devotion. And he will enhance that person whose devotion is going down. So his idea, we don't know. He has his plan. Ultimately, he will take back everybody. So whatever way he knows. He will try to protect the devotion. Whoever is having devotion, he will definitely try to protect the devotion. Then anything, अबे कुछ previous chapter 1, 2, 3 तक किया था हम लोग, उसमें से भी कुछ अगर आता है तो.
सर इससे नाम से ही अभी कलयुग में नाम लेने से क्यों ऐसा?
हाँ, कलयुग के लिए यही दिया दिया था। कृत्य कृत्य जथय तो विष्णु त्रेतय जगत जजते मखई दापरे तू परिचर्या कलो तद नाम हरि संकीर्तनात्। सो कृत्य युग सत्य युग में जथय तो विष्णु, विष्णु का ध्यान करने से हमको मुक्ति मिलता था। कृत्य जथय तो विष्णु त्रेतय जजते मखई। इन त्रेता युग by doing yagya, proper yagya, sacrifices, we are getting, we could get liberated. Dapare tu paricharjayat. In Dapara Yuga, paricharja means worship in the temple. That was more done in Dapara Yuga. By that people were getting liberated in Dapara Yuga. Kalo tat Hari Kirtanat. But in Kali Yuga, Hari Kirtan only. Because all these things are deteriorated. Now we cannot do meditation because our minds are so disturbed. So much disturbance around us. Now we cannot do meditation properly. We have to go to the jungle and do the meditation, but it's not possible now. Then yagya. For yagya, good paraphernalia is required. Good priests are required and ingredients are required. So many things are there. Now that purity is not there. That is also not possible. Paricharja, temple worship also not that much pure qualified brahmanas are there. So temple worship are also getting degraded. So now it is Hari Sankirtan. So it is an indication also, Prabhu, that it is also secondary. Even temple worship also is secondary. Nam Sankirtan is more important. So Nam Sankirtan is because all those things are degraded now. With that much purity is not there. For perfecting in those things, purity is required. High purity is required. Whereas for Hari Kirtana, that much purity is not required. Even person is not having purity also, doing Hari Kirtan itself, they will get purified. The process itself is a means also. The process itself is a means also. Means also is Hari Sankirtan. Process also is Hari Sankirtan. By the process we will get purified. Once we get purified, more pure Nam Sankirtan will come. Then we will get liberated automatically. That is a very easy process. Because Kali Yuga, disturbance. A lot of disturbance is there. Some sloka is there that Bhagavatam mein Kalau dosha hriday najam एक अस्ति महान गुण कीर्तनादव कीर्तनश्च मुक्त संग परम प्रजित. Kali Yuga में so many dosas are there, faults are there, but if you are doing kirtan, we can attain the Param Purush, Supreme Lord, by doing simply kirtan, Nam Kirtan. Kirtan can be of two types. One can be chanting in japa beads or doing sankirtan like us. So once we become advanced, we can do more in japa. But initially we have to do more of sankirtan. But sankirtan can we do initially also, end also. Japa also we have to do initially, but initially it will not become good japa. When we become more and more purified, then only japa will become more good. So both are required, but more important is sankirtan. Sankirtan means doing kirtan together, all together. When I am doing alone, I may not get that vibration. That when all of you are coming, all are coming, you can realize now when more people are there, the vibration is more. Have you realized? So there is the power of sankirtan. So sankirtan purifies everybody. So I am giving you association, you are giving me association. So like I am getting the association of all of you. So I am getting more benefited. So the it's a mutual benefit. So that's why Nam Sankirtan is very powerful than Dhyan. Dhyan because top purity, top level of sense control. If you have to do perfection in meditation, still it is not that you cannot do. You can do. But top level of purification is required. Purity is required. Bhagavad Gita chapter 3, chapter 6, so many cases how to do Dhyan Yoga, Krishna also very clearly will describe. But Arjuna will ask the question that is very difficult in this question. Mind is very flickering. Mind is very strong. Balavadinam, Pramati Balavadinam. So how to do that? So Krishna also accepts that it is very strong, it is very vivid. But you have to do Abhyas and Vairagya. Abhyas and Vairagya you have to perform. And Abhyas is the easiest to Abhyas is Nam Sankirtan. Is the easiest Abhyas in Kali Yuga. One more sloka was there Bhagavatam में that men are very less intelligent. वो क्या है? आयु कम है, इंटेलिजेंस कम है. भागवतम का वो श्लोक याद है?
आयु कम होगा,
मन विचलित होगा, डिस्टर्ब होगा, फ्रॉड होगा, चीटर्स होगा, चीटेड होगा.
और एक और बोला था कि मटेरियल
प्यूरिटी
टुवर्ड्स हमारा ज्यादा
रहेगा और डिस्टर्बेंस बहुत रहेगा, बहुत डिस्टर्बेंस रहेगा कलयुग में. इसका एक भागवतम जो लिखा गया कलयुग का स्टार्टिंग में द्वापर युग का एंड में उसमें कलयुग के लिए प्रेडिक्शन दिया गया कि लोगों का इंटेलिजेंस कम रहेगा, आयु कम रहेगा, आयु सब कम हो गया ना। द्वापर युग में बोलता था आयु 1000 ईयर्स होता था एवरेज आयु, कलयुग में एवरेज आयु एज लाइफ स्पैन 100 ईयर्स। Similarly, other yugas, 10,000 years before Satya Yuga was 1 lakh years. So Ayu has come down, intelligence, memory has come down. Previous yugas, people will just hear this type of reading, nothing, writing, nothing was there. People will go to only Guru's ashram. Guru will just dictate, they will memorize immediately. Such memory power they were having. It just dictate. All the Vedic scriptures were coming like that only, descending thing of the Guru Parampara, Shruti. They will dictate, they will remember everything. They will just pass on to the parampara like that. Now only because we don't have the intelligence, it has to come in paper, etc. So many medium. So intelligence, memory, everything has come down. So now all the process has become very difficult. But there is a mercy of the Lord that Kali Yuga also is although Kali Yuga is most unfortunate, but the most fortunate thing of Kali Yuga is the Nam Sankirtan. Although unfortunate from other point of view, disturbance etc. point of view, but from going back to God and for purification point of view, Nam Sankirtan is the best. So that way Kali Yuga also is the best. This practice wise is the best. Okay, और कुछ अभिमन्यु कुछ आप भी कुछ पहले का चैप्टर से कुछ है तो आज न्यूज़ का नहीं करेंगे।
एक और बोलते हैं ना कि टाइम हमारा डिग्रेडेशन और ज़्यादा बढ़ेगा,
और ज़्यादा होगा
और ज़्यादा बढ़ेगा, तो हमारा जो नाम संकीर्तन लेकिन
वो 10,000 years तक रहेगा। 10,000 years प्रेडिक्शन है। नाम संकीर्तन will live on up to 10,000 years. After that again full Kali will come to full, and before that we should try to perfect our life. So our aspiration should be to perfect this life itself. But even if we don't perfect, but we have the desire, then Lord will give us the opportunity again to start from that point in our next birth. But we should not leave it like that next birth. Our aspiration should be that so that we can go perfect this life itself. We should do our devotional services with strong determination, strong intensity, so that we can perfect in this life itself. But if you are not able to perfect 10%, 20%, 30%, whatever you are able to do, from that point, Lord will give the opportunity, that type of birth they will give. And from that we can do that. So we are all very pious people, so that's why we got very aristocratic people birth and very pious place, such a peaceful place. We got very peaceful place. So we might have done lot of pious works in our previous life. So outside world you go, Chennai you go, so much disturbance, so much thing will be there. Everybody will be fighting with one another. So once you go, you will feel like how quickly I will come back to Anupuram. So we are road में so many things will be there, so many accidents will be there. You go to the road, so many accidents every day. So we are very fortunate to have such a nice peaceful township. So we can use that fortune to use, because we are not having so much disturbances. But disturbances are there in the form of TV and movies. In the form that form it is there only. So you try to somehow control and be grateful to God and how such a nice atmosphere He has given us. So from that we can try to perfect our life, shift our attention more towards away from those social media towards devotional services, devotional media, devotional songs, etc. Then we can be peaceful. We can realize if we perform devotion, sankirtan, you can first thing immediately you can realize is the peace and happiness. Then you will get the purification slow. So you can utilize that opportunity. If you do not utilize that opportunity, then you may not get this good life again. So you may go to a life where it is full of disturbance again. You can take birth to a Muslim family or anywhere where a lot of disturbances will be there. So you don't know. So we have to perfect our life. Opportunity is there. We have to utilize that opportunity properly. Even we cannot get the human life also. There is no guarantee that we will get the human life also. If human life is there, such a nice people, we may not get the human life also. There is no guarantee also. If your work is so bad. So let us utilize that human birth properly in Bhagavatam Medicinal. Labdha Sudurabhavimam idam Bahu Shambhamante Manushim Arthadam Anittam Apiyadhira Turnam Yateto Aprateto Mittu Yavat Nisresha Vishakulu Sharvato Shat. Labdha Sudurlabham. Durlabham means very difficult to obtain. Labdha Sudurlabham means still difficult. Sudurlabham idam Bahu Shambhavante. Bahu means lot of probability, lot of things. 84 lakhs of species are there. You can see number of species are much more than our human being you count and number of insects, animals you count. Their numbers is much more. So you should consider yourself very fortunate that we are not that. We are not that ant. We are not that thing, that animal, this animal. We are human. So you should be very fortunate. Yeah, I could be grateful to the Lord that we are very fortunate that you have given us a human birth. And labdha suram ebam bhu sambhavante manushim arthadam anityam apyadhiro. But the human birth, 84 lakhs of species are there, but the human birth is arthadam. It is really purposeful. Arthadam anityam, but still it is also anitya. Anityam is impermanent like other lives also. Anityam apyadhiro. Turnam jateto aprateto mittu yavat nishtesha vishaya kholu sarvasad. So you cultivate nishtesha. Nishtesha means practices for our eternal benefit. Vishaya kholu sarvatoshat. Vishaya bhog will be there in all forms of life, not only human life, animal life, all animal, insect life, everything. Everybody will have their own sense gratification. Ahar, nidra, bhai, maithun. Eating, sleeping, mating, defending. These things are there commonly. We are human beings also doing. Others also are doing. They get more enjoyment than us. So we should not only aspire to get these material benedictions, because those are all temporary. So you have to aspire for nishtesha vishaya kholu sarvasya. Nishtesha, one is prayer, one is riya. Prayer means the material things which we are aspiring, good job, good money, good car, etc. So all these things are temporary. These are prayer. Other is sreyo, our eternal. We are doing something for our eternal benefit. Like we are doing meditation, we are doing devotional service, whatever we are worship, whatever we are doing, that will go with our eternal bank balance. So we have to cultivate those type of things only, not the material things. Material things will perish. Like the material things will perish, our body also will perish. We think I will do so many things I will acquire. But what we will do? Once death comes, we have to leave everything and go. We can think so much bank balance we will do, so much insurance we will do. So what the insurance will do? Insurance cannot protect me, manna. Insurance cannot protect me. My life depends on my karma only. Insurance cannot protect me. So these are things. I am not telling you don't do that, but don't pay too much attention to that things. Just as a part of duty, you do something. Okay, that's all. But don't fully invest your full consciousness in that. Full consciousness you invest in your devotional activities, so which will go with our eternal bank balance. In our next life also, Krishna assures in chapter 6 that from that point only you will start, and you will get the opportunity. You will get aristocratic birth. If you have done devotions slightly, you will get aristocratic birth. So that eating etc. Those things you need not bother about your daily bread etc. If you have done some more, you will get a Brahmana family. If you have done some more devotion and still could not perfect, you will get a birth in a very high Vaishnava Acharya family. So whoever is from the birth itself, they will have very nice practices they can do. Like all these acharyas etc. So their fathers also will be very pious and etc. So from the starting itself they got that birth. So because of their previous birth. So nishtesha vishaya kholu sarvasya. So we should aspire for this nishtesha vastu. So not for sense enjoyment. It is all temporary. You should not aspire too much for that. Even in animal birth, even if we go back to animal life also, they can eat better than us. They can sleep better than us. We need a good bed only for sleeping. If you don't get the good bed, we will not get sleep. But animals can sleep anywhere. They will get very nice deep sleep. So don't aspire for those things so much. So aspire for a devotional life which will go with us with our eternal bank balance, as our eternal bank balance. ठीक है और कुछ? हाँ सरस्वती ask. Please ask. Please tell.
जैसे भजन में सर हम हमेशा कृष्णा के साथ राधा का भी
हाँ।
गुणगान हम सुनते
हाँ।
हैं ऑलमोस्ट इन एवरी भजन। तो वैसे रुक्मणी का नाम कहीं पे नहीं आता है,
क्योंकि वो मूड ऑफ सर्विस है। जो भजन में रस है वो मूड ऑफ सर्विस रुक्मिणी का है, सेवा भाव, सर्विस भाव। सो हमारा जो गौड़ीय भजन है उसमें सर्विस भाव नहीं है, भगवान से इंटीमेसी का भाव। इंटीमेसी वो राधा में ज़्यादा है, रुक्मिणी के में सेवा भाव है। तो सेवा भाव में जाएंगे रहेंगे तो हम वैकुंठ में जाएंगे। वैकुंठ में जहाँ नारायण फॉर्म में रहता है, लॉर्ड जहाँ नारायण फॉर्म में रहता है, चतुर्भुज फॉर्म में, वहाँ सभी का सेवा भाव रहता है, सिर्फ सेवा। बट हमारा जो गौड़िया का ये है, उसमें हमारा एस्पायरेशन रहता है भगवान का धाम में जाएंगे, गोलोक 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 धाम में जाएंगे, वहाँ भगवान को और इंटीमेटली सेवा करेंगे। शांत, दस्य, शाख, वात्सल्य, मधुर, ये 5 टाइप का रस रहता है, इसमें भगवान को हम सेवा करते हैं। शांत मीन्स जैसे गाय वगैरह या प्लांट्स, ट्रीज, ये लोग वृंदावन को जो प्लांट्स ट्रीज है ना, वो भी बोलते हैं भगवान का भक्त है, तो वो लोग भगवान को सेवा कर रहे हैं शांत रस में। शांत दस्य, उसके ऊपर रस है दास्य। दास्य मीन्स सर्विस, सेवा, जैसे भगवान को हमेशा सेवा करेंगे, कोई भी अपॉर्चुनिटी आएगा तो भगवान को सेवा करेंगे, हम भगवान की सेवा है, भगवान को हमें रेस्पेक्ट करेंगे, रेस्पेक्टफुली करना है। शांतो दस्यो शखो, शखो मीन्स एज फ्रेंड, जैसे अर्जुन भगवान को सेवा किया एज फ्रेंड, so they will sleep in the same bed, they will play joke with each other, fight with each other, these are friendship. Shantu Dasyo Shakha Vatsala, Vatsala is as parenthood, like Jashoda Maya and Nanda Maharaj, Devaki, Vasudev, they are parenthood, they are as a child, they always will chastise, Lord will not chastise them, they will always chastise the Lord, and Lord likes that more. And the highest is the gopis. So they were so intimate, so intimate. One time Narad Muni went to the Vaikuntha, there Lord was having one headache. So Narad Muni told, what I can do to clear your headache? Lord told, if you go to some devotee of me who can give me his dust from his or her feet, then my headache will be cured. So Narad Muni immediately went, came down. So went to the everybody, all the good devotees. He went to the Pandavas. He went. He told, no, how we can give our Pachandari? So he is our respectful Lord. Our position is in his feet. Not his position cannot be in our feet. He cannot take our feet. We cannot do that. We can't do that. So all everybody will done like that. So we'll go to Naraka. We cannot do like that. He is our respectful everybody. Then finally Narad Muni went to the gopis. When he went to the gopis, Gopi told, is it like that? He's having headache and he wants to dust. They went to the nearby any soil area, dusty area, and started rubbing. All went there, started rubbing their feet, and huge quantity of dust. All of them collected and gave to Narad Muni. Narad Muni asked them, you are not worried that you are giving your dust from your feet to the Lord's head? You will go to hell. You will go to hell, na? If you are giving your feet to Lord's head. So it is a very big offense. You will go to hell. So Gopi told, we don't care. Let us go to hell. For lives and lives also we don't care. But Lord's headache will get cured. Na? That is our most important thing. Let us go to hell. For crores of lives, we don't care. So that is the intimacy of the gopis. That's why gopis are much above than Rukmini and all the 10,000 wives of the Lord who are serving in a service mood. So gopis are much more intimate. And Radharani is the highest topmost gopi. ओके और कुछ ठीक है तो खत्म करते हैं। नमस्ते नरसिंहाय प्रह्लादलादोदायिने हिरण्यकशिपुर्भक्षः शीलटङ्कनखलये तो नरसिंह परुतो नरसिंह ततो जामि ततो नरसिंह बहिर्नरसिंह हृदये नरसिंह नरसिंहमदिमि शरणं प्रपदे तव करो कमल बरे नखो अद्भुत सिंगाम दलित हिरण्यकशिपु तनु भृंगाम तव करो कमल बरे नखो অদ্ভুত সিংহাম দলিত হিরণ্যকোষ কেশবধৃত নরহরি রূপ জয় জগদীশ হরে জগদীশ হরে জয় জগদীশ হরে কেশবধৃত নরহরি রূপ জয় জগদীশ হরে জগদীশ হরে জয় লক্ষ্মী নরসিংহ জয় ভক্ত প্রহ্লাদ লক্ষ্মী নরসিংহ জয় ভক্ত প্রহ্লাদ জয় লক্ষ্মী নরসিংহ জয় প্রহ্লাদ জয় জয় প্রভুপাদ 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 জয় জয় প্রভুপাদ
Okay, sir. 4:30. I'll come direct here.
कॉल कर लीजिए हम लोग रेडी है कॉल कर लीजिए Anybody wants to go? One more extra vehicle is there, please. If anybody wants to go.
मेरा फोन सर
आप फोन उधर होगा?
अच्छा अच्छा
तो आप
ये रही ना ये है ना हाँ
वो मेरा होगा
आप कैसे
आपको ऊपर होगा ये भी हो सकता है।
ये भी ये सर ये शायद ये सर
ये फोन किसका है?
मेरा है सर।
अच्छा ये मेरा चार्ज
कुछ कॉल भी आ रहा था इसमें
मेरा
अभी नहीं 15 मिनट पहले